Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. Today we're going to talk about the gun world's most handgun for the money. Let's take a few shots and we'll check it out. Self-defense loads. The gun world's most handgun for the money, in my opinion, is the Canik TP9 SFX. It's a race gun, but it does have so much to it. I find it unbelievable. Now, the MSRP on this is $555. Average street price at your local gun store, right around $480. So what does it have? First, a 5.2 inch match grade barrel. It does have lightning cuts in the slide there. This one's Cerakoted tungsten gray. Does have a striker fire indicator there. Fiber optic front sight. It also comes with a green fiber optic sight if that is your choice. Two 20 round magazines and a very nice single action trigger. So there's your first pull, reset right there for the follow-up shots. It also has 4 mounting plates that comes in the case for those who want to mount an optic. You can see that's cut out right there. Just take out a couple screws, mount those plates, and there are 4 there for your particular optic. It also has a 1913 rail there and some other cuts under the dust cover. This gun for $480 is amazing for everything that it offers. Also has a couple back straps, probably a couple other things that I didn't mention. Oh yeah, one more thing. It also comes with a holster to top it off. So all of that for under $500, extremely accurate. What Century Arms said was that they produced this so that somebody could open up the case and begin competing right away without any other accessories. So this is a pretty sharp handgun for under $500. I consider it the most handgun that you can get for the money. Let's shoot it some more. Here we are about 17 yards away. Let's see how it does. So there it is, guys. This is what I think is the gun world's most gun for the money, the Canik TP9 SFX. It offers so much for under $500. Most likely some more things that I didn't mention. Functions very well. You know, it also comes in desert tan. This is tungsten gray. For under $500, I think it offers a lot, and I really like it. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.